Hey everybody, how are you? It snowed again last night. Not too much, but it's a pretty day out. Central Park is always quite the beauty when it snows. These birds. Yeah, pigeon. Look at Central Park. I love how it's snow covered. It's gorgeous. I'm at the American Museum of Natural History right here. I got off the subway, the C train at 81st Street. So if you're coming here from downtown, just be in one of the last cars on the subway. And then you'll come up the subway station that I was at, because there's always, an two entrances or exits. That's all you got to do. So be in one of the last cars. Or if you're not, just walk that direction when you get off the subway to the last car, and then you'll see the exit. But it's another beautiful day in New York City. Snow, snow, snow. I love it. If it's winter, it might as well snow and be beautiful. There's the bus. Look at this, huh? Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. Sorry. A beautiful snowy day in Central Park. We're actually right over a really cool we're walking on a bridge right now, but underneath it the view is really pretty. Just making sure I don't slip. It's a good workout today, balancing yourself on the snow and everything. So you don't slip it and slide in. How's everybody doing? Another beautiful day, New York City, Central Park. I mean, we can honestly say we're having a real winter this year, and I love it. It's been a decade since we've had such awesome snow like this. And this is still snow that hasn't gone away over the last few weeks. There's just more added on to it. So it's been nice. Hey Audrey, what's up? How are you? Hey Denise, hey Cyril, hey everybody. Piotr, Predrag, am I saying your name right? Simirk, what's up? Slawomir, I hope I'm saying your names right. Slawomir, Elisa. You know what? I'm glad I'm here in New York and not Florida now. Yeah, I love that when it's beautiful like this. I mean, this is incredible. Absolutely love it. Tomorrow I wish I was in Florida. Gosh, it's gorgeous out. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. How's everybody doing today? Hey, Malika from Finland. Yazzie, Cindy from Ocala. What's up, everybody? Nancy, Tonio. Awesome, awesome. Kira, Taylor, Nayesh. Oh, Betsaida, is that your name? Okay, you guys, walking down this pathway I love right here. The view is really pretty. I'm going to turn around. You're going to see an awesome view. Absolutely love it. This is called Oak Bridge right here. And then the view is this right here, which is really cool. Isn't that cool? That's a beauty of a view. Oh, you're good, but thank you. Appreciate the thought, though. These people were nice and tried to hide or not be in the video. This is pretty, you guys. Hey, Loretta, what's up, everybody? Kondwani, is that your name, my friend? Maria, Edwin, Linda, Heather. Hey, PJ, John, PJ, John, thank you for the stars. It means a lot, my friends, truly. Hey, Christian. Hey, Thierry. What's up, my friend? Maria, Cecilia, everybody. Melissa. It's so nice out. So what we're going to do is we'll walk up to the Bethesda. We'll walk up to the castle. You guys want to walk up to the castle? We'll walk up to the, I say it all the time, the castle. I can't think of the name right now. You know how it is. I do videos there. We'll walk up to the Belvedere Castle. So that way is Bow Bridge. Actually, I like this view here too. This is Bow Bridge this way. And then up here is the Belvedere Castle. So we're up to the Belvedere Castle today. But this is just a pretty view I like to show you guys. And then if you just walk along the water, you walk up to Bow Bridge and all that and all those beautiful views. Let's take a walk up to Belvedere Castle. How about that, you guys? I'll see if these people get lost and I'll yell at them and help them. Well, the Lake Tonio isn't too deep. It's maybe 10 feet. Not too deep. Hey, Jerema, how are you? Corinne. Is it, hey, August. Salomir, my friend. Thank you for the stars. Seriously, my friend, that really means a lot and helps too. Hey, Dormston, what's up? How you feeling? So we're just walking to the Belvedere Castle, which isn't too far at all. Just up the hill here. The thing is, wintertime though, you gotta wear like 800 layers. It's just a lot to, it takes me an hour to get out of my apartment just to, every day. And then to get home too, it takes me an hour just to decompress and get my 8 million layers off. That's the only thing about winter that I don't like, is how long it takes. It takes me an hour to prepare to leave my apartment. and then half an hour or whatever when I get home to just decompress and get everything organized and put everything away for the next day. It's crazy. I have like 20 loads of laundry a week in the wintertime and one in the summertime. So we'll just go up here. This is Belvedere Castle. Hey, John, what's up? Oh, wonderful life. That's awesome. Yep, we're in Central Park. And the Belvedere Castle is just right up here. Giovanna from Cancun, what's up? Hey, Barendra from Nepal. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a second. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Razvan from Romania. Hey, John. Molika. How are ya? Yeah, Piotr. Aren't the trees amazing? Hey, Michelle. Adelia. Jean. Bob Ramadan, what's up? Nazar Lucinia. Julie Henrique from Brazil. Hey, Claire, what's up? Hey, Lee and Isla. What's up, Claire? And hello to Lee and Isla. How you doing, everybody? Hey, Diane from Oklahoma. Yeah, the area, the Belvedere Castle. It's right up here in Central Park. I never show you guys, so it's really rare that I come this direction. But we're gonna go there. It's pretty close. It's just up these steps. I can see it through the trees right now, right there. Hey, everybody. Is it Janny? What's up? Or Yanni? How are you? Blaz, Shirley, how you doing, everyone? Variana, Roger from Kentucky. Hey, Sumi from Korea. Hey, Mom. Buddy Just Cop, how are you? I love you. Okay, so we're almost to the castle. The Belvedere Castle, right up here. And it overlooks the Great Lawn. And the Great Lawn is where they do my favorite concert, my favorite free concert every single year, which is when the New York Philharmonic gives a free concert. It's usually in June. It's in June, usually on a Wednesday. They haven't given us the date yet. They're always wait a little bit to give us the date. I think it's on a Wednesday, and I'm so excited. 50,000 people. We go up there and we watch, or just, get a picnic basket, a blanket, and hang out with everybody. It's really cool. People from all over. That's the beauty of New York. You see all New Yorkers there and visitors, but everybody from who lives in New York, who's from all over the world. The diversity is incredible. It's amazing. People bring their flags from their country that they're originally from that you see, and it's really cool. Do you guys need help with directions, anybody? Do you guys need help with directions? Okay. Okay, so here's the castle, you guys. Right here, Belvedere Castle. But anyway, the New York Philharmonic is amazing. And just to see all the diversity on it. What makes up New York, which makes up an amazing, all of us are different and different languages. And that's why I love living here. It's incredible. Okay, there's the castle. You can go up there, but I'm not going to go up there. Just more steps. I got too many layers on, it's heavy. So anyway, this is also where the Global Citizens Concert is every year, with all these huge artists that sing every year, like Beyonce and Barry Manilow and you name it, Christina Aguilera. But anyway, there's the Great Lawn way up there, right there. Hey, Debbie, what's up? Hey, Jackie, how are you? That's okay, Sumi. Hey, Piotr. Oh, it's 10:22, my friend. Fatima. Assalamu alaikum. I don't know if I can say that correctly. It's cold. Now it's cold up here. Hey, Shirley, what's up? Oscar, Gerard, Anson from Guyana. Barendra, what's up? The world's biggest high mountain in Everest in Nepal, yep. Hey, Andy from Indonesia. It's Chile. Well, this castle actually is just a man-made castle, so there's really no major history to it per se. It was built, after the park was built, so it's more of a photo spot and just a cool spot to do. They do a lot of events here and everything. And then right here is the Shakespeare Theater, where they do Shakespeare in the Park every summer, which is amazing. And it looks like they're really redoing it. It looks really nice. And I love it. It's an outdoor theater in the summer, and sometimes I go to it. It's a free concert, but you have to get up there really early in the morning to get tickets. And I love it because I went there with my friend Jen a couple times, and it rained one time, and it was in the middle of the summer. I mean, they had to stop the production, for the summer rain, which didn't last long. But we all sat there, and we all got rained on in the middle of a hot summer evening. It was a really cool day. I loved it. It was really fun. Oh, no, I didn't know this was locked right here. This was closed. They must be doing construction. I wanted to go down here. It says the garden is closed. Shakespeare Garden. They actually have the Shakespeare's Garden, which is just down here, and every single flower in Shakespeare's Garden is from Shakespeare's books. They're all mentioned in his books, so all the flowers that are mentioned in his books are in Shakespeare's Garden here, which is really cool. But I wanted to walk down there and show you, but that's okay. Barendra, in Nepal, it's 9 o'clock. Yeah, but here is Belvedere's Castle. There's a gift shop in there too. Hey, Hassan. See, here's the Belvedere Castle, built in 1872, right after Central Park was built. Restored in 2019, which I do remember that. Hey, Karen from Vienna. Hassan, what's up, everybody? Okay, guys, I'm gonna skedaddle. There is the beautiful San Remo. That's a residential building. Oh no, Terry, I hope your wife's okay from falling. Oh my gosh. Hey, Jono, what's up? Okay, everybody. Ricardo, how are you? 100 degrees in Rio de Janeiro. Rio is a dream of mine, my friend. I will go there one day. Marsha, I agree. Hey, I said Haras, Pakistan. Take care, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon, wherever you are in the world, as we enjoy this cold winter day in New York City, where it's snow. Take care, everyone. Slalomer, August. You understand I have a day off. I'm not going to work. This is my work, my friend. I actually work 24/7. I have a podcast. I do videos, photos. I have a tour business. Yeah. A day off. No, never a day off, but I love it. Take care, my friends.